UTV 24 volt kids buggy. Sorry, I'm just adjusting my camera. Um, or this is, I think, better. So this is 24 volt kids toy buggy. Um, you have the manual here, uh, body. We have all the accessories, seats, rear axle, plates, remote control, windshield, wheel cups, and other package. So this is a 24 volt four-wheel drive toy version. This is the overall instructions. Uh, let's get started. So first and foremost, we're gonna flip this in order to build the suspension and the motors. That is most important. If you can see, okay, I think let me zoom more. Okay, this is a cutter. If you can't see this, wait a second. So we have to put this guys motor section. So alright, so this motor thing going to be changed and altered. This is stuck here. Alright. Okay. This is the part for the rear motor, the axle. Okay. Work its way. And take this one off. Align this with the back. Okay. This out. And we can actually move, and we can align. This has to come over here. Okay, set. So some cars are two-wheel drive, some are four-wheel drive, and the axles and suspensions built differently. This one has this solid suspension. Uh, some things you need, some items you need two people. These are wheel wheels. They are EVA rubber wheels, kind of a thing. So they're better than the plastic ones. So So this is right now not gonna go in there. We need the tool bag came with it, and these are the kind of the hub or extender to attach the wheels. So let's take it out. We're gonna add this thing like this. So this way it can be easily mounted to the tire. Same the other side. And let's put this bolts and washers came with it. Even this tool is very handy. One side is screwdriver, other side is kind of this to tight the bolts. If you don't have tools, it's okay. Let's a little bit mount this guy. And the other wheel is going to be snug and tight. And tight. And put a washing. You can see. Do not right now just put them on lightly. Do not over tight or finish the thing, as we can finish that thing later on once we're gonna flip it over. So this side is kind of done. We have to switch it to the other side. Gentle and careful. So now you can see. So this thing has to be go on here. There is a washer here for quarter pin. This is the first life, so pardon the imperfections. Take this one out. Two washers. The same way. You can do actually from bottom to up to make it easier. These things are very difficult to put on sometimes. I'll give you a close up so how this need to be go on. Okay, let me give you a close look of this thing. This was the thing we were trying to line, so they are secured and all good. make sure to keep account of these washers and bolts. They are not extras. So if you lose, the whole assembly is gonna be standstill or until it's buy a new bolt. Or these ones are individual. We can actually hide them with this tool. Do not over tighten it, otherwise the motor is gonna be um, have resistance, and eventually it's not going to be run freely. So this thing is enough. So just up to this glue thread. There are fancy cups. These are 3 places where you can put. It's going to be 1, 2. Align them. Fine. Click. Beautiful. Similar to the other side. This rubber band is there to secure or hold the motor during the like transportation. Leave it on, doesn't bother. So these are 24-volt 2-seat model. They have, I think, 4 55-volt motor. Let me see. The motor size is this. It's 24-volt, 420-volt, and the maximum capacity shows about 30 kg. 37 months to 96 months child. Gross weight 30.5 kg, net weight 26 kg. Oh, I didn't see. There's a plastic one. Came with it too. Little tool to tighten the bolt without damaging the copper. Right, snap this back, and we are set for this. Alright, this is good. Once I secured, now I'm gonna go to the back side. Just make sure these wires and everything is out of the way. So when it's assembled, when riding it, it's not going to interface with anything, getting stuck. You can do this by both siding. So make sure there is not enough play, not over tight as well. That is the most important part. If you over tight, the motor is going to be have overload, and the car is going to get a smoke or not going to operate properly. So, that's it. So I can show you. It is the same, just close to the thread only, not over tight. All right. So same, the hubcaps, fancy ones. So these cards are twice if later on the issues we get, I will go through with those things too. So with these cards, eventually if you burn the motor or anything, you have to individually, you can buy them according to uh, the specs. These are 20 watt, there should be a name on it too. 24-volt batteries, motors you can order. If some of them or any of them stop working or the water damage or anything, you can change them individually, similar to when you're going to install them. And make sure these wires are tucked in and totally secured. Otherwise, when the kid is riding in the lawn or something, if they get stuck and pulled out, then yeah. All right. So we're going to split this now. Okay. Careful about it. And I have to raise this high now for to see. So now there is this thing to install the seat. The screws are already here, and it has this seat belt. So we're gonna take this screws off, install this, then we're gonna install the seats. So this is the battery box. You have direct charging here, and possibly other charging point is right here. Oh. Sorry about the camera positioning. So this is the main wire, uh, the battery wire you have to connect, which is gonna turn on the car. This car has, I believe, lights, the music and everything. But before that, let's disconnect and finish the other parts. you can use the same tool, came with it. It has a little Phillips screwdriver, but if you have this the drill handy, it's better, easier. So the main issues or the challenge you will get is actually this steering wheel alignment and installation. As let me actually switch and give you a quick close look, as this is the most common issue while installing or even after. Camera is need to sorry. Okay, so because this has this the control on the steering wheel. Let me show you. This is our steering wheel. Very important, as they are very fancy with the buttons for music and the phone, and mostly this is the major and common installation error. But if you don't align this right, or you know put it right, it usually get damaged during putting the bolt. So, and then these controls, they are no good. Or even if it's damaged or not working later on, you can unassemble it and check the connectors. These three wires connector, and there's a connector here which attached to the motherboard. So that's how you can repair as well. We take this little board out, and for now we have to cut this little lap strap attached. So this is done. Now let's align the tire straight. So first we're going to connect this thing, and so just align it straight upright, and that's it. A little peep hole there. So if it's not like has the struggle, you can see, take it out gently and see which way the hole is, so we can actually see if the space to put into this metal rod, the steering rod, is here. So we can actually now see this way. Sometimes it doesn't align because this this rod is dropped down, so you can lift it up a little bit. That is one of the common issue while installing. Now it's good. You can actually now move it. Not over tight. This is good. You can actually see if the controls are working before, and the buttons for music is working. This is on, so we are good. This one off. The other mounts you have to kind of secure are these battery mounts, so they need to be moved like this way to secure the battery and to take the battery off. So make sure if in your model if these things are there, just turn them to secure, and you can tighten these little screws as well. There's a space for another set of battery if you want, like extra battery for longer playtime, you can. And this is uh, the motherboard, you can say, or controller, which makes it run. This is the battery. Later on, if you have to fix it or repair it. And this is the little 12-volt motor. I think this is, in this case, this is 24, I believe. You can double check. This is 24, because this is 24 volts setup. This is the steering wheel parental remote motor, which do left and right. So if the remote is not working left or right, this possibly is damaged or need to be replaced, and it is pretty easy to do that as well. And you can get this one as a spare part. Practically the whole car can be fixed and repaired, just if you know what to look and where to see things. Okay, let's finish this now. Okay, so now we have this is the battery cover you can install. So it's simple, it has just two latch. Align it, you can push it down. Just put the latch on. Now we can install those seating. This is the bottom side of the seat. Make sure you take the, when you're doing it, the belts take out, otherwise they're gonna be stayed in and you're gonna wonder where is the seat belt. So for this we have two of these screws. We're gonna take it out, and this is the top part of this quilted kind of like leather seats, diamond stitch. very fancy. And pointed, very fancy. So two screws here to align. I think first we're gonna install the top part and then the bottom part. As is, take this one out. So it's aligned. And we're gonna bottom is done. Now we're gonna take this small screw out. So when you are going to assemble it, you are going to assemble the exact same way and same kind of circumstances, probably less space. So you can have a little bit open space to do it. It's better. We'll move the seat belts this way. Just align these holes. That's it. The seats are good installed. This is the seat belt. The door latches. Alright. Now we're gonna install this top bar. Make sure you assemble this not in front of the kids, as these bags are harmful. These plastic bags. I believe this car has the app control as well. You can scan the QR code. So this mount goes right here. It's all clip-on, I believe. So you can snap it, all good. There's a front bar left. Front bar is right here. And this is the charger. The manual we can put in there. And this is the front bull bars we can assemble. Okay. There we go. Looks pretty. So this is the front grill for this UTV. And just make sure same clips, so no screws needed, and they generally come off if you take it into a car for easy transportation. You can just snap them out. Otherwise the space to load in the trunk or SUV, sometimes this one and this piece creates a lot of trouble. So there is no screws, you can snap it out. So you can align them, click, and Yeah, that's it. And the front bull bars goes in the front. They act as like a handlebar to lift as well. Okay, so similar. Let's check which side is going to be snap. Uh, just check beforehand. This way it doesn't look right. Let's switch this way. Yep. Or you can see the bottom and this round to match, because if you're gonna snap in these things, they usually don't come out. So this thing, place it like this, similar to that. I think the bottom one is a little bit tricky, so go from bottom to top and click, click, done. Bottom to top. Click, click, secured, all done. Battery box. Oh, let's connect the battery again. So normally, or by instruction, it shows that you need battery must be charged for 12 hours. That is standard, but I think there is a like a light indicator on the charger. Once you plug it in, um, it turns red, and once it's fully charged, it turns green. So not necessarily you need 12 hours. That's the standard instruction, but not to be ignored. So let's connect the battery switch. So you can charge both ways. The main charging station is there. This is if you have to take it out and have two battery sets and charge it individually in the garage, not with the car. Okay. So if you want to add another set of battery, you can. These are two 12 volt 7 amps run as in series to make it 24. But you can get, there is some 24 already, lead acid options there too. Do not go for anything bigger or higher amps. Just stay with the manufacturer's specs, not to overheat or anything. So to align this thing and go properly. There we go. Now it's okay. So just make sure these corners are fully aligned, otherwise wasn't like going properly. So here we go, here we go. Now it is secured. Now it's not flimsy otherwise. And we have lights, and this one has sway motion, like swinging chair option. And this one has the Bluetooth stereo. This is the sway motion. Actually, it just goes back and forth. This is a good option for if you put a kid in and put the seat belt on and leave it, self-entertained. Let's check the music. Plus, you have the aux here too, USB for music. You have music mode. You have a Bluetooth. If you hit this, it's like a Bluetooth mode. Music mode. And this is the stop, forward, stop, back, and with the throttle or the pedal control, and it automatically stop the moment you lift off. And just turn it off. Let me show you the parental control, how that works, which is the most important thing, the safety and the main main purpose of these cars, like parental ride on. Okay. So this model came with this remote control. So the instructions are there, how to connect, battery polarity and everything. So forward, speed, reverse, bind and swing option, right, brake, and park option too, I believe. Yeah. So take it off, install two AAAs. So it is kind of flashing, and we can turn it on. Okay. So let's see. We need to connect it via. We need to pair this right now. So we're gonna thing for pairing. We have to, I think, hit this once the light is blinking. Turn the car on, and now this is paired. Okay, and you have speed. Like one light is one speed, second medium, and then fast. So you can control the speed. This is now forward. This is backward, left, right. So you can play and ride as a like RC car, and you can connect wirelessly Bluetooth. This was lots of power. All right, this is it. Thank you for watching, and like and subscribe. Peace.